Now, today we'll discuss about working with rows and columns. Let's see about the rows. For example, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are the rows, and ABCDs, these are the columns. And we are going to learn about different functions or different properties of these rows and columns. Okay. Now, if you right click on any column or any rows, you will have these options. For example, if this column Z, if I right click on column Z, these are the multiple options. And if I click, for example, from row 6 right click, these are the options. The only difference between these two options are basically row height and column width. In the row there is an option of row height, in the column there is an option for the column width. Otherwise everything is same. The other options are same, only column width, and in the row height is there. So what is the meaning of row height? So the row height is basically, if you click here, you can say it is measured in the points. For example, 72 points is equal to the 1 inch, and the default the row height is about 15 points or 20 pixel. It is also given in the pixel size. So similarly, if you come to the column portion, so the column width is measured in terms of the number of characters, and by default the column width is 8.43 units, and that is equal to the 64 pixels. So in these two columns and row measurement, both have the different units. You cannot confuse with the 15 points of the row height and 8.43 for the column height. These are the different. Only the similarity between these column height, column width and row height is pixels. So this is 20 pixels, 64. If you maintain the height of the row in the 64 pixel, then that will be the size will be the same as in the column. So let us look about how to select the columns and rows. For selection is very simple. See carefully about the cursor shape. It is now plus. When you put that cursor on the column, the shape of the cursor will change. Now for example, in this one there is a black arrow. Similarly, it means that you are going to select the complete column X. Similarly, if you come to the row portion, you see that there is a black arrow at the column row 6. It means that you can select the complete row. So for selection of complete row, selection of complete column, that is a very important to look about the cursor position. And then you can click the right click, these are the options, and on the row you right click, these are the options. Thank you.